Sir.
Eh?
Oh yeah, he's a very good teacher.
Aha, mashallah.
Like, it's not easy to learn fast or even learn well without a good teacher.
Sure, you're welcome. You're welcome. You bust my brain. My best training learning is bike. Reverse it. Pull it. Pull it. If you don't know how to be in charge, the power bike will kill you in time. Well, go forward and then pull backward. Turn the head. Turn the head. Pull backward. Leave that guy alone. Pull backward. You get me to pass me for body. You have more muscles than me. Just leave the turtle alone. Yes. Develop those muscles. Pull. Pull. Yes. Start. Gently. Start. Lena. Beautiful. For the record, you fell only once. Don't fall a second one. You see how better you look now. Keep reversing. Yeah, now you're in charge. Now come forward. Eat 1, 2. In progress. Start from turning the key, kicking the bike, reversing. Your stander is still down. Perfect.